Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to check out the JasmyCoin's price chart. And if you remember in the previous update, when we were right around the lows in here, the idea was that maybe we are going to have a move on the upside, but according to our primary case, that move most likely is going to be in form of a correction structure, possibly an ABC zigzag, in order to complete the subwaves for on a higher degree a WXY in form of a double zigzag, indicating our move down might actually continue in the short term. And the moment that we take the low of our wave X, or maybe the low of our wave B, in case that you want to argue this is ABC zigzag, our bearish scenario is going to kind of get confirmed. So what happened? As you can see, we did have yet another move up, and I do want to argue our move up was in form of an ABC zigzag, and this can be, let's just move this one, okay, to about this point, the end of our A leg, followed by that correction for wave B and another 5 wave on the upside into our wave C. And the moment that during this phase down we took this important low, you could have argued that in Jasmy we are going to see some more downward price action. But here's the deal, that is not really the worst thing that happened recently. In here we are having now some more important and major problems. Why is that? You see, let's go around here. If you want to argue that we're gonna have our final low around here, maybe this is like an important support, then okay, you need to be able to find off of the lowest low in this region a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure up. Also, in terms of the sub waves, you know what's happening. 5 wave up into wave 1, 3, and 5. Okay, and for wave 2 and 4, we can have different scenarios. Maybe, yeah, okay, sure. ABC into wave 4, excuse me, and a WXY into wave 2. And previously in Jasmy, the idea was that if we are bullish, maybe we are at the end of the sub wave 2, which means we're gonna have a massive move on the upside soon. Now, why is this important? I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. Let's zoom out a bit more, and maybe it's best to go on like H4 time frame. Okay, so what's happening in this area? You see, when we were around here, the idea was in Jasmy, maybe we are having a series of 1-2s, meaning this can be one correction for wave 2, and we said what's next? Probably a big move up into wave 3, 4, 5, and on a higher degree, this white 5 wave up is going to be hopefully into this wave 3, and followed by that, what are we going to have? Probably correction for 4 and some more upward price action into our wave 5. Now, every single bullish or bearish count should have a very important invalidation point, and we talked about this specific scenario's invalidation point in details, and we said the moment that in Jasmy, in the short term, we see a move down, and in that move, we take this important low about 1.45 cents. At that point, we need to really start finding some other scenarios, because the 1-2 scenario is absolutely going to get invalidated. And let's hide everything. As you can see, in the recent phase down, in the last 24 hours, we 100% took the lows in here. So what is the idea? Unfortunately, I don't really believe that I have good news for you. Why? Because let's say, okay, instead of having a series of 1-2s, maybe this is a bearish scenario, and on a higher degree, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into a correction for wave B, and yet another 5 wave on the upside into our C leg, which kind of got confirmed the moment that in Jasmy we took this important low. Now, if this scenario is happening, well, okay, it suggests that our move down in Jasmy is going to continue for quite some time, and in it, we are unfortunately going to take the lowest low all the way down here, about 0.8 of a cent. However, for now, I think we shouldn't really be that bearish. We should also consider some bullish possibilities, and here is why I like to argue that. Let's just go around here. You see, the bullish count in Jasmy suggests that maybe we are having an ABC in form of an expanded flat, which looks like this. This is our initial move down into a correction for wave B, which in it we're going to take this initial high, and then another strong move down into our C leg, and in this phase we are going to take the low of our wave A, and in terms of the sub waves, ABC down into A, ABC on the upside into wave B, or maybe a WXY, not important, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening, and maybe it's best to go on Coinbase chart. There we go. we already have the subwaves in here. So in Jasmy, you can be bullish, but you have to argue this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. So far, so good. But now on a higher degree into a wave 1 to about this point, and followed by that, we are having ABC down into A, ABC on the upside into wave B, and this is a 5 wave impulsive structure down into our C leg. And on a higher degree, this whole correction is going to be into wave 2, and hopefully after it's over, we are going to have another phase of the bull run into wave 3 and 4 and 5. This scenario can actually happen, and you should consider it. But here is the deal. Sure, overall this is a bullish count, but in the short term, the story is a bit different. Why is that? We said we need to be able to find for our wave C a 5 wave down, right? Well, here is the situation. I believe starting from here, we are having 5 down into 1 correction for wave 2, a strong move down into wave 3. Probably I'm going to say now to about this point, this was a WXY, a double zigzag into wave 4. And at the moment, we are having another move down into wave 5. However, at that point, our move down overall is not going to be over. Why? Because this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a higher degree, it's going to be into this wave 3, and followed by that, what are we going to get? Maybe a short-term bounce. However, odds are that's going to be just a correction structure into wave 4, and then we can expect yet another move down into wave 5. So you see, this scenario overall is bullish. Do not get me wrong, but even this one in the short term suggests that we are going to have some more moves on the downside. That's exactly why I think it doesn't really matter whether you want to consider the bullish or the bearish count overall in Jasmy. One way or the other, at least in the short term, we can count on this downtrend to continue for a bit more. Now, what if you want to say soon in JasmyCoin we are going to have our final low, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not happening? Then okay, fair enough. I guess in that scenario you should probably maybe consider the possibility of a WXY in form of, I don't know, maybe like a flat and a zigzag, and this can be ABC down into wave W, correction for wave X, let's say an ABC, and yet another ABC on the downside into our B leg. And I'm going to in a bit tell you what is the problem with this scenario, but before that, let's just delete the drawings in here. Okay, so I think we can all safely assume this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want to consider the possibility of having a WXY, then okay, on a higher degree, maybe this is into a C leg of a zigzag, and well, okay, at that point we have completed the subwaves for a WXY, indicating we can get a move on the upside. But again, like I said it earlier, this scenario has many problems. Chief among them is this: I would like to be flexible with the rules and argue maybe a WXY like this in form of a flat and a zigzag is possible. But if you want to go 100% according to the rules, then okay, you see, whenever you are having a flat and a zigzag for your wave X, you are actually not allowed to take this initial high right in here. And that, from my point of view, is enough to push this scenario to, I would say, maybe the third count possible. The first scenario suggests that maybe we are having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. The second possibility suggests maybe the 5 wave down is going to be into a C leg of an ABC flat, and this, I guess, fair enough, can be your third scenario. But for now, I don't really believe this is going to happen, especially because in terms of classic TA, meaning support and resistances, I don't really think we are necessarily in a good place. Why is that? Let's go back on our own chart. Okay, so you see, this is a decent, I think it was weekly level, and right now we are going under it, and we are not really showing a lot of respect to this level. So I'm gonna say in the short term, odds are this move is going to continue. And here is the deal: in daily time frame, we do have, I would say, an important support, actually somewhere around the 1.3 cents area. So here is what I have to say. I do believe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going to come to an end to about this point, and this is going to be the end of that larger degree wave 3 that we talked about earlier, and then probably we are going to get some sort of a temporary bounce as a result of hitting this support. and then you can expect another move down in order to break it and reach to finally about this important region between 1.1.5 to about 1.2.5 cents. And let's just pray to God that from here we're going to get a very strong bounce and start a major wave 3. If we don't do that and instead we get a break of it, okay, that's not going to be good news for you. And I'm not really going to talk about the targets at that point because the situation is going to possibly get really ugly. For now, as long as we are not doing that kind of moves, let's not talk about those scenarios. Let's just focus on the current price action and see a move down followed by a consolidation and yet another move down, and then we will make new updates and see where are we going to go from there. And here is my final point. Let's just zoom more. Okay, you see, whenever you are having huge candlesticks with massive bodies, for example, in this case we are having a red candlestick, okay, at one point probably soon you can expect after a red candle a move on the upside in order to at least have a retrace to about the 50% of the body of the candle, and then maybe we are going to have a continuation of the move down. And for a green candle this works exactly the same. It's just the fact that we're going to get a move down and then followed by a decent bounce back. Now let's hide everything. Do we all agree or not that this is quite a big candlestick? If you believe that, then okay, makes sense to argue that we are going to have a retrace to about the 50% of the body of this one, right? Well, okay, let's go on Coinbase's chart, which is a bit less busy, and measure the 50% level, excuse me, from here to about this high. Where is that level? It's somewhere around the 1.2.5 cents. And if you remember, this is exactly around the higher band of that important support level that we talked about earlier. And we said we are going to most likely reach to that region. So this, from my point of view, is yet another important point suggesting our move down in JasmyCoin might not be in the short term over. And we may see from the current point yet another 10 to 15% move on the downside, which aligns with what we said way back up here when we were around the 1.5 cents region. We said you probably should expect a 20 to even 25% move down, and so far we got a 10%. Let's have another 10 to 15%, and then hopefully we are going to see some strong price action showing up. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in JasmyCoin's chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets. In fact, yesterday I did a market update for my members and talked about what is happening in Bitcoin and the overall market. So if you want to have access to those infos, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.